Hey guys, this is Cameron here, aka Blunt Funds, and in this video I am going to be giving you guys a driving video so that way you guys can hear what the drone sounds like when I drive, because yes, this car does drone. And as you guys can see, I'm on the highway. The highway is the best area to record so you guys can hear the drone. Like right now when I'm not hitting the gas at all, obviously it doesn't drone, but if I'm doing like this, then it just constantly drones while I'm driving. And for me, it doesn't really bother me too much because I'm usually playing music and I don't have to have the music too loud for me to not hear the drone. So it's not that bad. But for those of you that would like to do the exhaust setup that I have on my car, you might want to consider the drone for your driving style. Like if you're driving on the interstate all the time, then you probably don't want it. And if you aren't driving on the interstate all the time and don't really care about drone, then go ahead and do the same exact exhaust setup I have or something similar. But if you do not want to have drone at all, then just leave your resonator, or either get a high flow resonator, and that will eliminate the drone. But if you don't have a resonator at all like me, then you will most likely have drone, because I don't have a resonator and I don't have mid mufflers at all. So I get drone whenever I'm driving on the highway like this, just constantly holding the throttle at a steady speed. And then I do have some performance mufflers where the third mufflers were, but that doesn't really do anything for the drone. It just helps like make the car not sound like a trumpet whenever I'm driving, because I did have a complete straight pipe from the cat back all the way, and then I just have single wall exhaust tips. So the exhaust tips could help with the sound too if you don't have any mufflers or anything at all and it's just a complete straight pipe. But I'm not 100% sure because I never had anything other than the single wall exhaust tips that I currently have on my car. And I will be getting out and filming a little cinematic for you guys so that way you guys can see the car again. And please be sure to subscribe if you would like to see more content with this car. This is my 2007 Acura TL. It is the base model with the 3.2 liter V6.
I be ballin' on these niggas like Ramon Sessions. Ain't got no time for you bitches. Time's of essence, yeah. My life is great. My life is great. My life is fine. My life is fine. You wish it was mine. Yeah, you do. But you wasted my time. Yeah, you did. Nigga, I grind. Nigga, I what? Yeah, nigga, I ball. Yeah, nigga, I ball. You a little bro hoe. You a little bro hoe. Fucking with you was a no. Fucking with you was a what? Was to change my mind.